Hello everyone, welcome back to Bun's drawing channel. What will we be drawing today? Hint. This is a tool that helps people travel safely on the road with 3 colors, red, yellow, and green. That's right. Today we'll be drawing a traffic light. Get your paper and pen ready, and let's begin. To draw a beautiful traffic light, follow Bun's steps. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about traffic lights. Would you like to hear it? If so, let's draw and listen to the story together. There was a traffic light standing on a busy street. The traffic light had 3 signals, red, yellow, and green. Each signal told people when to stop, be careful, or go on. One day, Min was walking home and saw the traffic light. However, today the red light wasn't on, only the green light was. Min was worried and asked the traffic light, "Why isn't the red light on?" "We'll stop." The traffic light smiled and explained, "I'm having a small problem today, but don't worry, I'll help keep you safe." A little while later, the red light came on again. Min understood that even when problems occur, traffic lights always help people travel safely. Did you enjoy the story Bun told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. Let's read the names of the drawings aloud with Bun.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, heart shape, forma di corazon, diamond, rombo, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. If you all finished drawing, don't forget to show it to your parents for lots of praise. Now, let's play a little game. The color choosing wheel. Are you ready? If you're ready, begin.
Orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja. Green, Verde, green, Verde, green, Verde, green, Verde, green, Verde. Red, Rojo, red, Rojo, red, Rojo, red, Rojo. Yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Amarillo, yellow, Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Pink. Rosa. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud.
1. No. 2. Das. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes around it. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's read them aloud, together with Bun.
Square. Cuadrado. Circle. Circulo. Triangular. Triangulo. Diamond. Rombo. Heart shape. Forma di corazon. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Orange. Naranja. Red. Rojo. Yellow. Amarillo. Green. Verde. Pink. Rosa. Blue. Azul.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos? Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.